to exist eternally to exist temporal.
I have a toaster oven tattooed on my ass. It's not,
you know, with chips in it. Soft
like Coke, Pop, 7-Up.
Yeah.
I really enjoy 7-Up.
someone who probably smells just,
So that makes you a baby backwards tit sucking.
You are a juggernaut. You know what you are? You're my
Shih Tzu and a Pitsu.
He drowned in a pool and he'd kill himself.
I don't want to get into it. This is supposed to be lighthearted.
In my bathtub, is that okay?
I was hoping you would be in your bathtub, but not like this.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
I don't know exactly.
No, actually, I moved to Los Angeles to work at A&M Records to get in the record business.
Little bitch.
How did you research to play that role?
Of its mother's teat and all the milk saliva was drooling out.
That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole day. Back in the primordial era, medieval times, alchemy was written within the context of chemistry. But that was just a big metaphor and an analogy. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.